Hey y'all. So I know this is a huge bowl, but it was the only clear one that I could find. And yeah, y'all see all the fixings and stuff on top. But let me stir it around. So basically, I just have some Mr. and Mrs. Crab. It's a new crab boil place that just opened up. I went and tried it for the first time with my family. It is currently 11:54, 6 more minutes until my birthday of 2020. I'm so happy to have made it to 24 years old. I am extremely blessed, and I just want to eat my leftovers with you guys. So let me say grace. Amen. Amen. Y'all, so I had a pretty good birthday. So on Saturday, on January the 11th, I had a little party with my family. I tried to invite everybody. Everybody was welcome, but you know, I don't really talk to my family as often. Oh, and I just have some Chinese rice that I'm gonna eat on, but I don't really talk to my family as much. But I was like, it's a new year, hey, why not? Let's, you know, open up. Oh gosh, let's open up the home a little bit. But lo and behold, when you get black people together, they don't know how to act. At all. Yeah. And I tried lobster. Like, really tried it for the first time. It's pretty okay. It just tastes like overcooked shrimp. It's okay, I guess. It's not my favorite. And I have a whole blue crab. Y'all know I had to get blue crab. This is just a leftover leg. But yeah, you get black people together, they don't know how to act. So my sister sent me out to dinner for my birthday. I spent some time with my little friend January 14th, the day before my birthday. And you know, I know y'all can't really see me like that, but y'all be okay. And I just got garlic butter. I added some water to it to warm it up. But, you know. But yeah, like, I don't know. It was a pretty okay birthday. I enjoyed myself. I don't know if I'm just gonna put this like in with the vlog, or if I'm gonna make this a video all by itself. But next time I go back, I'm only gonna do the shrimp, the corn, the shrimp and the sides. I don't feel like we need crabs, and the crab's not really all that. But my favorite is this. And they got the best corn. I'm missing strong medicine. That's my show because it got Tamara Mowry. I'm listening to it. Well, I listen to it every night anyways. Hot. Hotel. I know this is gonna cut off soon, but I'm sorry. Very good. I think it can cut off tonight. I'm just gonna let it be. This is the closest I can get to Brie Love sauce. I don't even know why I'm tripping on this snow crab like this. I'm gonna be opening other crabs so easy. For my birthday, for my birthday party, I had made, excuse me. Oh, this is messy. I had made curry crab. It was real good, but it wasn't as good as the first pot I made. No. I know somebody like, girl, if you don't eat the lobster, okay, yeah, bro. I be seeing some people bite the tail to get the stuff out of it. You know, I don't mess with it like that. Yeah, it's pretty okay. But it's not something that I would like, say, oh my God, I want some lobster. No. No, boo boo. I don't even know if I'm gonna crack into Big Daddy. It's Big Mama. But, like, honestly, I really just enjoy the sides because the sides is the best thing. And then I don't really like unclean crab.